The graduate of General Academics 1, Section A, Aguirre TJM. Ashley Zay, with honors. Bahamonde Kevin J. Charles Ian, Special Recognition Volleyball District Level. Bukad Marcelino Justin J. James Mark L. with honors. Francine J. Orlain John Eric L. Rodriguez Renan A. with honors, Perfect Attendance Award and Conduct Award. honors. Apa Joycel Shane M. With high honors. Perfect attendance award. Belheka Angel Monique C. With honors. Gomora Mariela B. With high honors. Special recognition, Second Congressional District Festival of Talents for Culture and Arts 2024. Perfect Attendance Award. Francisco Rachel F. With high honors. Service Award, SSLG. Galvez Gian Dazzle V. With honors. Special recognition during the Second Congressional District Festival of Talents for Culture and Arts 2024. Special recognition on basketball, district, and congressional level. Royal Joy Ann R. With honors. Labrador Clarissa C. With honors. Monteroso Ayla S. With honors. Oliva Francine V. With high honors. Conduct Award. Special recognition during the Second Congressional District Festival of Talents for Culture and Arts 2024. Special recognition, valuable district level. Dennis Iya Lorraine G. With high honors, outstanding performance in social science, perfect attendance award, conduct award, and service award, SSLG. with high honors, outstanding performance in research, perfect attendance award, and conduct award. Villamer Jessalyn O. with high honors. Thank you and congratulations, General Academics 1, Section A.
Junior High School, General Academics 1, Section B. Abrejes Lawrence Abby B. with honors. Aquino Joshua A. Bailon Ryan C. with honors. Conduct award. Belga Lori L. with honors. Perfect attendance award. Candal Melton DMB with honors. Conduct award. Shello Justin J. A. with honors. The Asis Mark Neil B. with honors. Garcia John Jeffrey M. with honors. Labrador RDB. Molina Aaron T. with honors. Service award for the Green Secondary Learners Government. Special recognition for sports badminton. Petron Memo Mark Clarence M. with honors. Tesorero John Mark M. with honors. Perfect Attendance Award. Trajano Christopher Josh D. with honors. Anos Laika May. Arroyo Melody M. with honors. Service Award for Secondary Learners Patron Group. Baldesco Michelle C. with high honors, perfect attendance award, conduct award, participant at the Battle of Wise Division Level PE. Gomez Robin P. with highest honors, perfect attendance, conduct award, participant at the Battle of the Wise Division Level, Mathematics, special recognition for basketball, congressional meeting. Gomez Marian Lin with high honors, perfect attendance award. Napardo Marian P. Special recognition for the sport Sepak Takraw. Godpen Mary Child D. with high honors, perfect attendance award. Labrador Riza C. with honors, service award for Secondary Learners Spectrum Group. Lahay-Lahay Jerry May with high honors, special recognition for majorites at Israk Tumatarok Festival. Francia R. with high honors, perfect attendance award. Ortiana Regine Pugh with high honors, leadership award. Participant at the Battle of the Wise and perfect attendance award. Rodriguez Angela May Q with high honors, conduct award, perfect attendance award. Rufino Julie Ann C. Caballes Angel R. with honors. Ilyas Bella M. with honors. Congratulations, 12 Gas B.
The following are the learners who satisfactorily completed the requirements under Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Track, Agri-Fishery Arts Curriculum, and confirmed graduates. Male, Alcala Jimrex R. with honors. Astillero Adrian I. Award, SSLG Officer. Roman Joshua C. Perfect attendance. Dumagsang Clarence B. Jacobe Ivan B. Javier Gerald L. With honors, Conduct Award. Labanan Arman Lee S. Lago James J. With perfect attendance. Lavallero Juan Nico D. Marta Leo Art A. With honors, outstanding performance in board immersion. Special recognition as basketball player during the district meet. Matus Christopher B. Musa Adrian A. With honors. Conduct Award. Octa Joseph Benedict B. Conduct Award. Joseph D.K.A. Penetrante Lawrence O. Perfect attendance. Rendon Archie P. Rufino John Francis B. With honors. Rufino Neville Ivan N. With honors. Conduct Award Julina Irati. Orlain Saina Joy V. With honors. Perfect attendance. Oro Abigail D. With honors. Publico Crisaline S. With honors. Perfect attendance. Vasquez Nicole A. Panda Award. Thank you and congratulations, Grade 12 Agrofishery Arts. May I present to you the graduates of PDL Track, Third Economic Strand, Alegre Jolie T. Ata Jan Emmanuel C. Valdez Codinel P. Outstanding performance in word immersion, Big SM. Madonne Moore Templeton R. Maconde Don Aaron with honors, outstanding performance in word immersion at the Macdo, perfect attendance, hanggang awardee, service awardee, SSLC. Cabrera Judan A. With honors, perfect attendance, service awardee SLPG. Castaneda J. Chaparro Francis S. With honors, outstanding performance in athletics, outstanding performance in PBL HE, special Capaldo Mark Ian with honor. Special recognition ginagatik palarong pang-congressional. Ignilan Carl Alejo with honor. Ilagan Jericho A with honor. Outstanding performance in work immersion with Magsaysay. Perfect attendance. Conduct award. Juanillo James L.E. with honor. Perfect attendance. Conduct award. Labrador Emmanuel with honor. Rivaldo Limuel B. Paa Clarence. Don Juan Anthony R. with honor. Manorta outstanding performance in word immersion, Biggs Berlin. Tribunal Day Andrew with honors. Vergara Andy Junior Q with honors, outstanding performance in performing arts, special recognition in dance sport, Palarong Pangkongresyonal. Adan Cheryl B with high honors, outstanding performance in science, perfect attendance. Anselmo Leone with honors. Festival Anime P. Bayonan Laikame P. with honors. Brianna Danica O. with honors. Brianna Maria Rose with honors. Colote Christine B. with honors. Fortuna Jeneline, stand-up awardee. Ipo Princess Claire with honors, perfect attendance. Mirador Nicole F. with honors. Ojeda Maria Stephanie with honors, perfect attendance, stand-up awardee, special recognition, sepak takraw, Palarong Pangkongresyonal. Poliophius Ivy Rose Q with honors, perfect attendance. perfect attendance. Valencia Nicole A. with honors. Nueva Marian K. B. with honors. Again, may I call in Francis Capardo with honors, outstanding performance in athletics, outstanding performance in CBL H3, special recognition in athletics, Palarong Panlalawigan. Last, Capardo Martian with honors, special recognition in athletics, Palarong Congressional. Again, thank you and congratulations.
Javelin P. Bobares, General Academics 1, Section B, with highest honors for the words of gratitude.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Sa ating kagalang-galang na punong guro, Madam Candelaria Matalote. Sa ating panauwing pandangal, Ginoong Nino Marasigan. Sa ating mga suportadong guro, mga magulang, mga kaibigan, sa kapwa kong mag-aaral na magsisipagtapos ngayong araw, at sa mga panauhin namin dito, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sa ating pagtatapos, naaalala natin ang bawat hirap, determinasyon, at pagsubok na ating hinarap at nalampasan. Napapaisip at napapatanong tayo sa ating mga sarili sa mga pagsubok na ating hinaharap. Kaya ko bang harapin ang ganitong bagay? Kaya ko bang gawin ito? Di ko talent yan, iba na lang. Ang hirap naman ito, kaya na nila yan, suko na ako. Muling nagbalik rin sa aking isipan ang mga naging karanasan natin sa paaralang ito. Panahon, tayo ay nagsisimula pa lamang sa high school hanggang sa tayo ay naririto na ngayon at magtatapos. Mga kalokohan ng ating mga kaklase. Mga kaklase nating napapagalitan at palaging nasasabihan ng girls at the back, boys at the back. At sayang, hindi natin maikubli tuwing walang pasok at hindi makakapasok si ma'am o sir. Mga pikunan, asaran, at sigawan sa loob ng silid-aralan na akala mo'y walang guro sa unahan. Ito'y muling nagbalik sa aking mga alaala at muling nagbalik sa aking sanidad na hanggang dito na lang ang ating pagsasama. At tayo ay maghihiwalay na ng ating mga landas tungo sa panibagong yugto ng ating buhay. Maraming salamat sa ating mga guro na hindi sumuko sa pagtuturo at paggabay sa atin upang tayo ay matuto. Kayo po ang nagsilbing pangalawang magulang sa amin. Nagsilbing ilaw at gabay sa madilim na landas ng aming pag-aaral. Salamat po sa walang sawang pagtitiyaga at pagmamahal sa amin, mga estudyante. Ang bawat aral na inyong ibinahagi ay baon-baon namin sa aming pagharap sa bagong yugto ng aming buhay. Sa ating mga magulang, maraming salamat po. Kayo po ang pinakamalaking bahagi at inspirasyon namin upang marating kung nasaan kami ngayon. Mula sa umpisa at hanggang ngayon, kayo ang aming pinanghahawakan. Hindi po matatawaran ang inyong sakripisyo at pagmamahal. Kung wala kayo, ay wala rin po kami rito sa aming kinatatayuan ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal sa amin. Sa aking mga naging kaibigan, kaklase, at kapwa kong mag-aaral na nakasama ko sa masasaya at malulungkot na sandali sa paaralang ito. Ang bawat masasaya na ating pinagsamahan ay hindi natin malilimutan. Natapos na din natin ang lahat ng pagsubok at mga hamon sa mataas na paaralan ng Antipolo National High School. Sana ang ating tagumpay ay magsilbing inspirasyon at gabay sa atin sa hinaharap. Huwag natin kalimutan ang halaga ng edukasyon at mga aral na ating natutunan, hindi lamang sa loob ng silid-aralan, kung hindi, pati na rin ang mga aral na nagmula sa atin at sa bawat isa at mga aral na nagmula sa ating mga minamahal na guro. Sabi nga ni John Dewey, education is the continuous reconstruction of experiences. Kaya, huwag tayong bibitaw. Ituloy natin ang pagtupad sa ating mga pangarap at huwag susuko sa anumang pagsubok na ating haharapin. Sana ang ating pagtatapos ay hindi lamang isang katapusan sa yugto na ito, kung hindi simula ng bagong pagbubukas ng kabanata ng ating buhay at paglalakbay tungo sa ating tagumpay. At ang panghuli, sa bawat hamon na ating hinarap at patuloy na hinaharap, huwag nating kalilimutan na hindi tayo nag-iisa. Ang ating Panginoon ay laging nariyan. Gumagawa ng paraan upang ito ay malampasan natin ang mga pagsubok at problema. Kaya, huwag natin kalimutan palaging magpasalamat sa Kanya sa bawat pagkakataon. Sapagkat ang Kanyang gabay at biyaya ay walang hanggan. Muli, binabati ko kayong lahat sa ating pagtatapos sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat.
Jessie B. Pirua, General Academics Branch, Section A, with high honors for the Pledge of Loyalty.
Please rise. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of Antipolo National High School, for school year 2023-2024, do hereby pledge
our loyalty to our beloved alma mater. We shall do our best to protect her good name wherever we are, and bring her honors and all our undertakings in our individual or group efforts in the pursuit of our bright and better future. To this end, we humbly evoke the divine guidance.
Sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw.
Our Honorable School Principal, Candelaria D. Matalote, for the closing remarks.
Gurutom na? Mainit ko na? Anyway, to our guest speakers, graduation day, sir ninyo ay Manasigan, Tumama ninyo na bari, kapapag-ibig president. To all senior high school teachers, junior high school teachers, non-teaching personnel, puro ko na sa gilid, mainit na kaya. Ito na sila naman nakasave. So, graduates, my dear parents, graduates, good noon. Good noon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Anyway, pa-12 o'clock pa lang. Inaabot na talaga kita kami. To all the graduates, this is your momentum event. I commend you for your hard work and you put in reaching what you have achieved today. Ano po? As graduates, you think do you think that learning will stop here in this institution? Nagdadawang pa, urutong na. This is giving a closing remarks on the part of a people or a person who that is a challenging. Kasi that is the part na kung saan ang mga audiences are not yet ready to listen. Gurutong na, napapauli na, may handa kasi. Lalo ng pag-graduation. So graduates, you are graduates today, but tomorrow, you will also search and you must be ready for what exit in senior high school you are going to enter. Sino dito sa inyo ang papasok sa kolehiyo as one of the exit in senior high school? May ano? Please raise your hand. Bakit ka kaunti? Akala ko ang dami kong pinamahana, isip 9. Sino dito ang pupunta or mag-enter doon sa tinatawag natin negosyo? Mag-negosyo na after graduation. O sino naman sa inyo ang magtatrabaho? Wala? Saan kayo pupunta? Sa bahay? O sino naman dito ang papasok doon kasi tinatawag natin middle-level skills? Wala din? Saan kayo ngayon pupunta? Mag-aasawa? Yes! Yun. Anyway, sabi nga ng ating guest speaker kanina, na pinapakinggan ko siya, if you have skills, kung kayo ay may talino, may skills kayong possess, anumang bagay, mayroon kayo na alam ninyo, craft ninyo, master it. Ano po? Huwag kayong tututok sa iba-ibang uri ng skills na mayroon kayo. Sabi ng ating guest speaker, isa lang ang ipupos ninyo. At siya, yung isang yun, aasinso at mag-i-improve kayo. Tulad ng ating speaker ngayon, di ba, sir? So, kung anong skills mayroon kayo, you master it para mapakinabangan ninyo lalong pagdating ng panahon. Ako, I want to share with you a little bit when I was in college. Nag-graduate po ako sa Camarines State College. Sisak pa kayo to. Now, I graduated Bachelor's of Secondary Agriculture Major in Animal Science. I know, alam ko mag-treat ng mga sakit ng mga animals. Noon yun, kasi ngayon iba na. Now, after 3 years that I was graduated, wala akong nakukuhang trabaho. Makapasok ako ng trabaho, after 2 months, 3 months, matatanggal. Naisip ko na what if kung mag-klase ako ng methods of teaching. Nag-methods ako, nakapasa ako, and after na hindi ako in-accept ng DepEd kasi wala daw akong major, nag-major ako ng MAPIT, and after 1 month, nandiyan na sa bahay yung principal. Kinukuha na ako para magturo. Yan yung sinasabi natin na if you have an ability or skills or whatever you want to possess, magsumikap kayo para ang goal ninyo ay ma-attain. Ano po? So, halimbawa, may nakikinig pa? Halimbawa, isa sa inyo nakapagtapos ng koleyo, and hindi agad-agad makakuha ng trabaho, ay another job. Baka dyan ang swerte ninyo. Ano po? So, there are always a trouble. This is not, graduation is not a very tough journey. Pagkatapos ninyo mag-graduate, akala nyo okay na. No. Magsisimula pa lang po kayo ng inyong tatahaking buhay pagdating ng panahon. And of course, palagi yung may trouble, palagi yung may hindrances, palagi yung may problema. Take note, nandyan lang ang mga magulang ninyo, ang mga pinsan, mga sariling tao ninyo para kayo ay nalagayan. Nagsabi lang. Ano po? So, my dear, 137 graduates, money is earned and is spent, but experience and wisdom through education is not. Hard work and strong faith in God will take your place and give you happiness that no amount of money can buy. Ano po? Gusto kong pasalamatan ang mga magulang. Parents, nandiyan pa kayo? Thank you for the unending support that you have extended to your students. Nag-isi sila dito ng 6 years, diba? Grade 7 to grade 12. So thank you so much. Palagi kayo nandyan, nakaalala sa kanila. And of course, thank you so much sa mga teachers ng Antipolo National High School. Nandito lang sila lahat, nakaalala din sa inyo ever since na mag-start kayo ng inyong high school dito sa Antipolo National High School. Palakpakan na natin ang ating mga nila. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga teachers. I would like to congratulate you all. Good luck. And thank you so much. And kunin ko na din, by their advisors, kunin ko na din ang opportunity. Sa June 1, wala na kayong matatagpo ang teachers sa loob ng school. Bakasyon na po sila lahat. Ayun, anong gagawin? Yung mga toga ninyo, isasamulis na nila kay Ma'am Rose at kay Ma'am Chuan kasi ang nandito lang is the non-teaching. Kami lang ang nandito. Yung card ninyo, yung isang line ninyo, yung mga kailangan ninyo, na gagamitin nyo pag-klase, nandyan lang. Pumunta na lang sa opisina at ibibigay sa inyo. Ano po? Nagkaintindihan tayo? By Monday, isasauli ninyo ang toga sa opisina with Ma'am Joanne and Ma'am Rose. Congratulations and good afternoon and happy weekend.
Paano yan? Hindi mo, tuloy yan ah.
Pagkatapos, sumisit na sa ano,
Sa Manny.
bandera sa Jimmy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the exit of colors.
Congrats tayo, katapusan mo na.
Mas katapusan mo, last, ano mo naman yan? Last day.
Ang pandan.
Inito.
Sabi ko, ang pandan, nagilisot si Mong Mimi.
Wala bang katapusan? Papa.
Ladies and gentlemen, we formally pronounce the ceremony closed. Picture taking with the guests, with the school head, and with the faculty president, and with the senior high school teachers will follow. It is by section. Okay po, requested po ang faculty muna po. Both junior high school and senior high school faculty are requested to please come on stage for the pictorial. Roll Gasly. Roll Gasly, your last speech, please. I am requesting everyone to please sit down. We are not yet done with your classic tour. Everybody sit down. We are not yet done with your classic tour.
One, two, three. One more. One, two, three. Waki, waki po. Diba? One, two, three.
Roll Gasly. Roll Gasly, please. Come on stage.
One, two, three. One more. One, two, three. Waki po, waki, waki. One, two, three.
Roll HP, please ready. You will follow right after the 12 AHA. Graduates, please sit down. Sit down. Roll Gasly, sit down, please.
Bye.